My dear brothers and sisters, how many miracles did Jesus perform? Of course, what we have in the Gospels about 30 numbers, maybe about 35, 36 or up to 40. But I'm sure every day he worked miracles which cannot be narrated or we cannot be mentioned in the Gospels. And all these miracles we find that the authors narrate them in a story form, giving them a good background and environment and a scene, which I'm sure have been acted in school functions. What we heard today, all the authors, Matthew, Mark, Luke, all of them narrate it, but no little different slant could be, a little more details. Today's miracle that we heard is a nice miracle. What does it talk about? What's the message given to us? Two things, or maybe three or more things. One is we need to believe in ourselves. We need to have faith in ourselves. Time and again we say, no, I cannot do it. No, I cannot. I don't have that capacity. I don't have the money power. I don't have this and I don't have that. We don't believe in ourselves. The first thing to overcome or to do something is to have faith, to believe in us. I can do it. We see the disciples say when Jesus tells them, you give them something to eat. They say, we cannot. They forgot that they have with them the master with them. We cannot. How can you also do? There's such a big number. We cannot. The second thing we learn from this is, whatever small thing that we have, we give it to God. And let God do the rest. He multiplies and multiplies. If you have a small amount of talents are few, let us share with others. Whatever it could be. So when we give what we have to others, God gives more. We saw in the gospel today, 5 loaves and 2 fish. 5,000 and more people were fed because what was little, Jesus multiplied. Third thing we come to know is, we say God is generous, definitely. When He gives happiness, also gives sadness, both equal balance. It always gives more than what we ask. You see, when Solomon asked for wisdom, small thing. God gives us more than that. Not just wisdom, but wealth and plenty. So let's not put on ourselves limitations, not say, I don't have, I cannot do. Let's put our faith and trust in the Lord, believing that if we give Him something, He'll give to us in plenty and many more.